So I've got a couple of requests from people asking me to help them with opening up a trading account. I thought that was a simple process, but maybe to some people it's not. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily open up your trading account. And before we get started with the video, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Okay, first things first, you need a broker. I have a link in my description for the broker that I use. Click that link and open it in a new tab, and let me walk you through the steps of opening up your account. Once you click the link in my description, it is going to bring you to this page, right? So what you want to do is click register, and to register, you need to have an email address. Click register. It's going to open you up in a new tab. Then it's going to take you to this page. In this page, you want to be on the create account right here. Here, you're going to put in your country of residence. I am in Kenya, so it has already automatically selected the country of residence that I'm in. Right here, you're going to put in your email address and your password, and you're going to click register. And also you need to declare that you're not a citizen or a resident of the US, right? So this has to be ticked. Then you're going to click register. All right, so once you're done signing up, it is going to bring you to this page. Here you can open up a new account, or you can open up a demo account. A demo account is basically a practice account that you need to use if you are just learning trading. You will use your demo account for practice purposes. It doesn't take any money from you, and it doesn't need you to deposit any money, and you're not making any money. You're just practicing. So you can open a demo account, or you can open a real account. This is how you go about it. Once you click open account, it's going to open this up. You want to select the standard account. This is the one that you can deposit the lowest amount of money on and get you started trading quickly. You can see the minimum amount of money that you need to deposit on this account is going to be $10. Okay, if you go to these other accounts, the pro account needs you to deposit about $200. The raw spreads account needs you to deposit $200. So if you're a beginner and you don't have that much capital to start trading with, start with the standard account. So you're going to click standard account, and then you're going to click continue. Right here, you have these options. You can either click demo if you want a demo account, and it's going to tell you risk-free account, trade with virtual money. Or you can either click real account if you want to trade with your real money. So let's say we want to create a real account. We're going to click on real account. It's going to ask you for your currency. You can use US dollars. I prefer using US dollars, but if you prefer using Kenyan shillings, you can also select Kenyan shillings right here. Going to select a name for your account. So I'm going to name this test. And when it comes to leverage, the highest they give you is 1:400. All right. You can click here on value and add in 1:400, which is perfectly okay. This leverage is very much okay. You do not need a 1:1000. So select 1:400 and then select your trading platform. You have MT5, MT4, and XNES. I recommend you select MT5 because that's also the one I use for trading. Then you're going to input your trading password. And once you're done inputting your trading password, you can click create account. All right, so once you're done creating your accounts, they're going to show up over here. You can switch between your real accounts and your demo accounts, but you're not yet done. You need to make sure that you verify your account so that you'll be able to deposit and trade and withdraw your money. So to verify your account, you'll see this up here. Fill in your account details to make your first deposit. You're going to click to complete profile, and it's going to ask for these three things. It's going to ask you to confirm your email address. It's going to ask you to add profile information, and it's going to ask you to confirm your phone number. Click get started now. You will need to confirm these details if you want to be able to deposit money and trade on your trading account. Okay. So if I input the code, I'm done verifying my email address. Then we come down to adding profile information. Click complete now. Over here, you're going to add your full name, the actual name that is on your ID. You're going to add your first name and your last name. Make sure these are the names that are on your ID. You're going to add in your date of birth and your country of birth. You're going to select if you are male or female or other. And you're going to need to make sure that you put in your residential address. This is the tricky part for most people, but it's actually easy. So let's say you're in Kenya and you live in Lavington. Put that down as Lavington. Once that's done, all you need to do is confirm your phone number. Make sure that is the same number you're going to use to deposit and withdraw your money. And once all that is done, you are good and set to go. And to log your XNES account into your MT5, this is what you need to do, because this is the app that you're going to be using to trade. So to log your XNES account into MT5, open your MT5 and you're going to click on new account. Once you click new account, you're going to search for XNES up here, and you're going to make sure you click XNES Kenya because we are in Nairobi, Kenya. We are going to select XNES Kenya. It's going to open up this page. This is where your server is. This is where you log in, and this is where you put your password. To know the right details to input here, you're going to start with your server. Go to your XNES account, click on the three dots, and then click on account information. It doesn't matter if you have a real account or a demo account. It's going to give you your account information, and down here you have your server. So these are different with every account. On this account, I'm going to be using the XNES Kenya MT5 Trio 9. Make sure this is the server name that you input over here. So you're going to click on server. So we're going to click Exness Kenya MT5 Trio 9. Once you're done selecting that, you're going to come to login, and this is your login. And once you're done inputting in your password, just click OK, and it's going to open up your trading account. And here right now, you can start trading anything that you want to trade. This is where you add the currency pairs that you want to trade. Initially, it's going to come with all these pairs, but you can remove them. All you need to do is click on the pencil icon and select all these other ones and clear them out. And once you're done with that, you're going to add the currencies that you want to be trading. So you can click on the search bar right here and search for Euro USD, and then make sure you add it, or you can search for XAU USD and add that in. And then you can click on the chart, and it's going to show you the Euro USD chart. All right. And once you're done with that, if you click on the box icon right here, it's going to bring up the buy and sell options and your lot size options. So you can click buy right here. It's going to ask you to enable one-click trading. Make sure you click accept. So right here, you can change your lot size. You can either click buy or you can click sell. And if you click buy right here and come to the trade tab right here, it's going to show you your trade running, and you're going to get started with trading. And that's all you need to know about opening up your trading account. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget, I have the broker link in my description for the broker that I use. Click that link, open your account, and let's get trading. See you in the next video.